Stop living paycheck to paycheck. 13 steps to build real wealth. Tired of barely making it to the next paycheck? It is time to break free. Most people between 25 and 45 are stuck in a cycle, working hard but going nowhere financially. It is not your fault. Society trains us to be good employees, not wealth builders. But here is the truth. If you do not take control of your money, someone else will. A recent CNBC report found that 73% of millennials, aged 27 to 42, are living paycheck to paycheck. That means one emergency could wipe out their finances. That is a scary way to live. But guess what? You do not need a six-figure salary or a rich family to break free. You need a strategy. Today, I am sharing 13 powerful steps to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and start building real, lasting wealth. No get-rich-quick schemes. No lottery tickets. Just a proven roadmap. If you apply these steps, you will look back in a few years and thank yourself for making this decision. So, grab a notebook, hit the like button, subscribe, and let us get started. Step 13. Shift your mindset about money. Everything starts in your mind. If you believe money is hard to make or that rich people are just lucky, you have already lost. Wealthy people think differently. They see money as a tool, not a burden. They believe in abundance, not scarcity. Here is what you need to do. Stop saying you cannot afford it and start asking how you can afford it. Learn from wealthy people. Read books, listen to podcasts, and study successful individuals. Stop blaming the economy, your boss, or your past. Take full responsibility for your financial future. Your thoughts create your reality. Change your mindset and your bank account will follow. Step 12. Have a clear vision. If you do not know where you are going, you will never get there. Most people want to be rich but have no plan. That is why they stay broke. Here is how to change that. Write down specific financial goals. Not just to be rich, but measurable targets. For example, you can set a goal to have $100,000 in investments by age 35. Or plan to pay off $20,000 in debt within 3 years by making extra payments of $600 per month. You can also decide to create 2 new income streams by the end of the year. Review your goals daily, not once a year. Winners keep their goals front and center. That is how they make them happen. Step 11. Take full control of your money. If you do not track your money, it is controlling you. Ask yourself if you know exactly how much you spent last month. If not, you need a money system. Track your spending for 30 days. Write down every expense. You will be shocked at the waste. Create a budget. Separate your money into essentials, savings, and spending. Cut out unnecessary expenses by canceling subscriptions, negotiating bills, and eliminating impulse buys. The wealthy track every dollar because small leaks sink big ships. Plug the leaks before they drain your future wealth. Step 10. Master the art of delayed gratification. This step is where most people fail. If you are always upgrading your phone, eating out, and buying the latest gadgets, you are making yourself poorer. Delayed gratification is the secret to wealth. Warren Buffett is worth billions but still lives in the modest home he bought in 1958. Why? Because he lets his money work for him. Ask yourself before any purchase if it will make you richer or poorer. Every dollar saved and invested today can turn into thousands in the future. The choice is yours, instant pleasure or lifelong freedom. Step 9. Increase your income. You can only cut expenses so much. At some point, you need to earn more. Ask for a raise. If you add value to your company, you deserve higher pay. Start a side hustle. The internet makes it easier than ever. Learn high-income skills like copywriting, sales, or digital marketing. Making more money speeds up your wealth-building journey. Step 8. Learn how to sell. The highest-paid people in the world know how to sell. And I do not just mean selling products, I mean persuading, negotiating, and influencing. Sell yourself in job interviews. Negotiate raises and better deals. Convince clients to choose you over the competition. Sales is a life skill that can make you unstoppable. Step 7. Build multiple streams of income. Relying on one paycheck is financial suicide. The wealthy never depend on one income source. Start a side hustle. Invest in stocks, real estate, or dividend-paying assets. Sell digital products or online courses. The more income streams you have, the safer your financial future. Step 6. Eliminate debt as soon as possible. Debt is the enemy of wealth. Pay off high-interest debt first. It is killing your financial future. Avoid bad debt. Do not finance luxury items you cannot afford. Use debt strategically only for investments that grow in value. Every dollar spent on interest is a dollar you could be investing. Step 5. Save and invest consistently. The secret to wealth is to pay yourself first. Automate savings by setting up a system where money moves to investments before you even see it. Start investing early. Even small amounts compound over time. Focus on assets that grow, like stocks, real estate, and businesses. Wealth is built brick by brick over time. Step 4. Surround yourself with winners. Your environment shapes your financial future. If your friends are broke and irresponsible with money, guess what? You will be the same. Learn from people who are already wealthy. Find mentors who challenge you to grow. Cut out toxic people who drag you down. Success is contagious, and so is failure. Choose wisely. Step 3. Protect your wealth. It is not just about making money, it is about keeping it. Get insurance, including health, life, and asset protection. Have an emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. Learn basic tax strategies so you do not overpay. Smart people do not just get rich, they stay rich. Step 2. Develop an unstoppable work ethic. Lazy people do not get wealthy. Period. Outwork your competition. Stay disciplined even when you do not feel like it. Keep learning by investing in skills, not just entertainment. Success does not come to those who wait, it comes to those who work. Step 1. Take action now. None of this works if you do not take action. The biggest mistake is waiting. Start today by tracking your spending, setting goals, and taking your first step. Do not wait for the perfect moment. It does not exist. Stay consistent. Even small efforts compound into massive results. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Final thoughts and affirmation. These 13 steps will change your life, but only if you apply them. Now, tell me in the comments, which step will you take first? And before you go, say this out loud. I am in control of my financial future. Wealth flows to me effortlessly. I make smart decisions and create abundance every day. Hit like, subscribe, and remember, do the right things for the right reasons. Stay blessed.